In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in Webflow. Whether you're looking to give your site a unique flair or match your brand's specific typography, customizing fonts can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your project. So, let's dive in and take it step by step. First, we begin by accessing Webflow's font settings. Start by navigating to your project's dashboard. From there, locate and click on Site Settings, which you'll find in the menu. Once you're in the site settings, look towards the top of the page and click on Fonts. This area is where you'll manage all things typographical for your site, including system fonts, Google Fonts, and most importantly for us right now, custom fonts. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Custom Fonts. This is where you'll be adding the unique font files you've gathered. It's a simple yet powerful feature, allowing you to bring in font styles that make your project truly stand out from the crowd. Having easy access to such specific fonts can really elevate the coherence and attractiveness of your website design. Once you've located the custom font section, we're ready to upload your chosen font files. Before you start, make sure you have all your font files saved on your computer and that they are in a Webflow compatible format. Generally, you'll be working with types such as OTF or TTF files, as these are widely supported across different browsers. Now click on the Upload button next to the Custom Fonts section. This will bring up a file selector where you can navigate through your computer to find your font files. Select the appropriate files you wish to use and confirm the selection. Remember, you can upload multiple styles and weights of the same font family, such as bold, italic, or light versions, to give your website more versatility with designs. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, your font files will take a moment to upload. Once completed, you should see them listed under the Custom Font section in the settings. This means they're successfully added and ready to be used in your project. As an additional tip, it's always a good idea to double-check your uploads to ensure that the fonts display correctly on your website. You can quickly preview them by heading to the Designer view in Webflow and applying your new fonts to text elements to see how they look. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom fonts to your Webflow project. It's a simple procedure, but one that offers a tremendous amount of creative potential for your site. Hopefully, this guide has made it straightforward and easy to understand. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing how you'll use custom fonts to enhance your Webflow designs.